Hey, so hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, AmandaRachLee here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a monthly colour with me for the month of August. This is August, so if you notice I skipped this month because I didn't actually colour it in. I started it and I was like, this is long, I don't need to do this. But I'm excited for the August one because it's like fruits and stuff. So in my little pencil pot I have all the colours I'll be using and some washi tape as well that are like fruit related. So I always keep them together so that I can use them. But yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. And yes, so I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to show you guys the spread beforehand. So as I said, it is fruits. And then who knows if I'm going to colour these in or not, but I probably will start, but I don't know if I'll finish it now, and then on to September. So yeah, also I'll be using this in my sidebar. This sticker is from Also Paper, so I thought this would go with the summery fruit vibes. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to play some music and let you guys watch me colour. Enjoy. Okay, so as you saw, I didn't do the best, you know, colouring in, because I just felt like doing messy colouring in. I like that look, so I'm going to do a quick flip through for you guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this spread for the month of August, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.